Hello friends, I ordered a package on Cureka and here's the package that I have received. It's come in a very neatly packed box. Here's the box and now let's open it. Here I have opened the box and let's see what's come inside. So these are 3 packets of baby powder Nan Pro that I had ordered, and I'm very impressed with the packing. They have packed it excellently. Here I have removed it from the cardboard box, and as you can see it is packed so beautifully in a bubble wrap. Let's open it. Here are the boxes of my baby powder. As you can see, the MRP is 715, but I got each box for around 680, which is like 150 rupees less than the MRP for all these 3 boxes, which is an excellent purchase. And I love the packing. I love the way they have dispatched it. And I love the price also. So thank you, Cureka, for bringing a happy smile on my face. You did a good job.